Yo, 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 what's poppin', my goons? We back, oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do, the one and only Spontaneous Productions, part 2. We back, live in effect, live and direct. We live, let's connect. Hey yo, I need all my goons worldwide to pull up, tap in, let's get it in, cause we play to win. Credit game continues with the Goals Worldwide 2025. It's time to thrive, you heard? Give me one quick solid though before we blast off of this powerful lesson right here, you heard? Smash on the like, subscribe button right now. We about to get activated. A lot of goofy ass goons gonna hate it, but hey, y'all gonna need this. Yo, I was at work and I was talking to one of my coworkers. We was talking about credit. And I just got to thinking, man, like, you know, we was talking about, getting more credit. And, a goon didn't have no credit. And I was just thinking, man, that's crazy real. A lot of goons don't got no credit. And this is 2025. We got emergency situations taking place. Yo, my city's on fire. Los Angeles is on fire. Yo, this is the craziest, catastrophic emergency situation of devastation that has hit California. This devastation for the nation in the history books, nothing like this. Alright? So goons need emergency services right now. Yo, it's drastic. You gotta get credit. You gotta get credit for 2025 or you ain't gonna make it. Shit like that. Keeping it all the way real. Credit is your lifeline. Credit is your backbone. You never know when you need to loan out like 20,000. You just need 20,000 right quick. You need to make sure you can get it. You might need 10,000. You need to be sure you're in a position where you can go get it. Even 1,000. You need to be sure you can get it. Credit saved my life many and many a time. Straight like that. So a lot of goons don't got no credit right now. So there's a variety of reasons you scratching your head why you don't got no credit. So I'm gonna give you goons some insight as to why you don't got no credit. One reason you don't got no credit is that you might be applying for credit and you're not getting the credit because you have too many hard inquiries. Alright? No hard inquiries. You don't want no hard inquiries. Hard inquiries means you're asking for credit. You're asking the banks, you're asking all these people for credit and you're not getting it, you're getting denied. Alright? It's like getting rejected by a girl. If you go to the bar and a shorty see you get rejected by 2 shorties, you try to holler, then the next shorty, she gonna reject you. Shit like that. It's gonna be a domino effect. So what you need to do is stop asking for credit. So what you can do is you got hard inquiries, go get your inquiries removed. Do inquiry removal, alright? Now you can pay for credit repair, to get inquiries off, and you can learn how to do it. You need sauce on credit repair, holla at me. I can help you with that. But aside from that, you can just get rid of the inquiries. Call up the credit, call up Experian, call up TransUnion, call up Equifax and tell them, hey, there was inquiries made on my credit report. I didn't do it. Straight like that. Hey, even if you apply for credit and you got denied, say you ain't do it. Alright? It's your word against them. The burden of proof is on the credit bureau. Okay? So, hey, you say you didn't do it, you didn't do it. So get rid of them inquiries. Alright? You need to get those inquiries off your credit file as soon as possible. Alright? That's keeping you held back from getting credit. So that's one reason right there. Okay? Another reason why you're not getting no credit is that you don't have a strong enough credit score. Your credit score starts with a 4, that means your credit score is on the floor. Alright? If it starts with a 5, you cannot thrive. Okay? If it starts with a 6, you are out the mix. Okay? You need to have 700 credit score. That's how you win for sure. Okay? 800. Okay? You don't get them credit cards coming. So I need you goons to build up your credit score to at least 750. Straight like that. Don't let nobody tell you, 700 credit score is good. No, it's not. You need 750, 800. Otherwise, you ain't getting no money. These banks and these lenders are getting tighter and tighter on what they want. They're getting more, demanding upon what they're going to give you and what kind of scores they're looking for. Yes, you can get some credit with some 500s and 600s, okay? But that's called subprime lending, and you don't want no subprime lending. You want the best possible financing you can get, okay? That's the reason why you got high credit scores. you don't pay high interest on loans and stuff. You can get stuff, credit cards with zero APR interest, and you can get cars with zero money down off the lot, stuff like that. That's when you have high credit scores. So, you need to have 750s and up, because another thing too, when you start applying for credit cards and you start going on these funding plays and you're trying to get funding and financing, you're gonna start asking for a lot of credit. Boom, 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 just back to back to back. And what that's gonna do, let's say you do get the credit, okay? Every time you get some new credit, it's gonna cut down your score. So let's say you got 5 credit cards. Let's say you lose like 5 to 10 points every time you get a new credit card. That 750 is gonna go down to a 700. Now you got the credit, and that's good, but you gotta wait a little bit to get your credit score back up, so you could ask for some more credit, okay? So, and it depends on what's on your file. Yeah, if you have less credit on your credit file, then it's going to be harder for you to get some more credit. But you can still get credit with a 600, but you must have already a lot of credit. You must have like 100,000 in credit cards. Then you can still get some credit, okay, with like a 680, okay? But you're not going to get no credit if you got a 680 and no credit cards, no trade lines. So that's another reason why you ain't got no credit. You don't have enough trade lines. You need trade experiences. You need a variety of credit builders and credit cards, even secured cards. Okay, they build credit. They show that you have some sort of responsibility. All right, at the very least, you could have $200 secured cards. But if you're gonna spend $200, you might as well get big trade lines. You can spend $200. You can spend $175 and get a $15,000 trade line at Credit Strong. Okay, you can go to IFJ, shop IFJ Jewelers online and spend like $250 and go get a $15,000 trade line on some jewelry. Okay, there's all kind of variety of credit builders and stuff like that. So you can spend a couple hundred and get some credit builder trade lines. You need more trade lines. Even $100 to get you some credit builder trade lines with at least $1,000. Okay, you want to get those, and you want to make sure no hard inquiry, because inquiries set you back. Those hold you back. All right, when you're trying to get some credit. So these are reasons why you don't got no credit. You need trade lines. So you need multiple trade lines hidden. You need to make sure you got at least like 4 or 5 trade lines hidden. Open and closed accounts, either or. And if you do got closed accounts, they got to be closed positive, not closed negative. That brings me to the next point. Another reason why you ain't got no credit is because you have too much negative closed accounts. Okay, you got negative closed accounts, charge-offs, collections. You got late payments. You got things that you would default on, like a repo. Okay, you got bankruptcy. Chapter 11, Chapter 7 bankruptcy, okay? You got child support on the rears. These things are hurting your credit score. They're dragging it down the gutter, my goons. So, what you need to do is get them credit scores up, and you can get the negative information erased off your credit profile. You need a credit sweep. That's one thing a lot of people need these days in 2025. People got jacked up credit like never before, because the housing is just ridiculous high. All the people's bills are ridiculous high, and the economy is ridiculous high right now. But the wages are crazy low. It's crazy hard to get a job. Even minimum wage jobs hard to get. Shit like that. I got a warehouse job, and that shit's hard to get now. But I remember they should just throw them like nothing. It was easy to get them. Now it's hard to get them. It's hard to get jobs these days. Okay, even for minimum wage, it's still hard. The economy's jacked up. All the migrants and immigrants and all that stuff. It's making it harder on you, my goons. So I need you to just get that credit up. So credit sweep all the way, all that negative information you got, get rid of it. It all gotta go. That's keeping your credit score low. And once you get rid of it, your score is gonna go up 200 points, 300 points. Them credit sweeps will get your credit file back up to like 600 and 700. And then you just add trade lines, and then boom, positive history. Let positive history start to hit your report for 4, 5, 6 months, and it's going to get you in position to win. Another reason why you might have low credit score and you're not getting approved is because you don't have no authorized user trade line. You need to piggyback off of somebody's credit card with long age, okay? Long age, years and years of positive credit history. You get all that information glued to your credit report as if it was your card, okay? And a high credit limit too. You want to find both of those. If you don't know anybody in your family, your friends, they can just let you get onto their file for free, just as a favor, then buy that stuff. I always say, go to eBay. It's the best place I know of where you can go buy the stuff. You know, you can get it from me. I got a plug for authorized trade lines for a super low price. Hey, you want to make some money too? Selling trade lines, you can get it through me too. I got a plug for that. But if not, go to eBay. There's a variety of trade line sites. You can just go on Google and you'll see a variety of sites. There's Trade Line Supply and there's other ones too. But I just say, I think eBay is like the best place because they have buyer protection where if something goes wrong, you can always get your money back because eBay give you buyer protection, give you money back. Then I got, good trade line off of eBay before. So, these are reasons why you have low credit and you got to get your credit up, okay? This is why you're not getting no credit, okay? Another reason you don't got no credit is because you're not opening up credit union accounts and you're not going to banks because you can't get no business with them because you might have bad history from banking. So you gotta check your EWS, early warning systems. You gotta check your early warning system, see what's on there, because you might have had closed bank accounts where you went default and you didn't pay, and that stuff is blocking you from having banking relationships, and check systems. You might be in check systems and that's blocking you from having banking relationships. And without these banking relationships, you can't go to these banks and ask them for no credit. And these banks got credit. These credit unions got credit. So they check your stuff and they say, nah, not at this time. We don't want you as a member. Shit like that. They don't want you as a member of their association. They don't want no affiliation with you. And this is preventing you from asking them for credit. They want no business with you. Okay, so you defaulted on stuff and it's on your report. So check your EWS, early warning systems, and check your check systems. Make sure that stuff is clean so you can get more banking relationships. The more banking relationships, the better. And that's one reason why you ain't got no credit. You don't got no banking relationships. Go get your job and just put all your checks, direct deposit into your bank account, whatever bank you at, or a credit union, and then ask them for credit. After X amount of time, the chances are high that's gonna be the best place for you to get credit at, because you already got a history of putting money in, because every Friday you got a paycheck coming in. So they're more likely to give you a credit card than anybody, okay? Because you already got business with them. You got a banking relationship, all right? Another reason why you ain't getting no credit is because you don't got no LLC. You don't got no business. And even the thing about business credit, which makes it so crazy, is you can have a business, you don't even got to do nothing. Just make the LLC. Straight like that. You can make it for a couple $100. I gave you Google's walkthrough step by step how to make an LLC. All you got to do is just make the LLC, file the paperwork, and within a week you can have a freaking company. And then just add business credit trade lines, which are not hard to come by, and they're cheap. Okay, if you have 30 vendors, give it a couple of months, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, just build those up. And then, pow, you can start getting business credit. You don't need that credit. Even if your business doesn't make no money, it don't matter. There's a variety of different methods as you could make your business look like it makes some money. You can get some money from somewhere and just put money in the account. And then take it out, put it back in. And take it out, put it back in, and make it look like your business is making money. It's called manufactured spending, my goon. Yo, there's so many different ways you can put your work checks into your direct deposit, into your business bank account. So it looks like your business is making weekly deposits. Even though it's your work checks, it don't matter. Money is money. Okay, money make the world go round. That credit makes the girls go down, you heard? But yo, seriously though, we're facing crazy, catastrophic, disasters in California. People got $10 million mansions that are burned up in flames, and the bank owns most of those. And people don't own that stuff outright. They got bank loans on all that. So another reason why you're not gonna get credit is because you're in the back of the line. Okay, there's people who got to get their banks trying to recoup their money from all the freaking California wildfires. Okay? Billions and billions on billions of freaking houses went up in smoke on fire. Yo, them people are way first in line before you to get some credit. So, yo, best thing you can do is put your best foot forward and get your credit up. So these are reasons why goons ain't got no credit. I'm just keeping it all the way real. Yo, you gotta get credit by any means necessary because it's getting real out here in the field. And another reason you don't got no credit is you don't even got no street credit. You need some street credit, okay? Street credit will get you things. Street credit will get you stuff. Yo, my car broke down, okay? I didn't have no car, and I was tapped out. I didn't have a job, so I didn't have no job. I didn't have no car. I didn't have no credit. But I got a car off street credit. I just had to make payments. I'm in the whip right now with it, okay? I just had to make payments on it. I got the whip for no money down. Didn't even matter what credit score it was because me and my homie, we used to sell cars back in the day, so I knew I could go to him if I needed a car. And I went to him and he threw me a car. No problem, because we did good business, okay? When you do good business, when people, hey, the word will spread, the word will get around. People will always remember when you help to make money, the realest thing you could do for somebody is help them make money. So if you ever help somebody make money at some point, at some time, yo, you got clout, you got street credit. So street credit helped me out. Straight up, I got like a car worth $4,000 for no money down because I had street credit, okay? You know, goes tap into my channel because I got street credit, okay? Street credit to get you places, alright? People will rock with you. You need street credit, okay? You gotta have a good face card out here. You out here ripping people off, doing people dirty, you being janky, you being foul, too much of just fuckery is going on in your life. You ain't gonna have no street credit and you're gonna burn all your bridges. You done burnt your bridges up, my goons. That's the reason why you ain't got no credit neither. Alright? You gotta make amends and make shit right. And then you might get a shot to get some credit from somebody. Okay? Get a loan from somebody. Get some help from somebody. So, hey, credit, it extends in a variety of ways. And credit is a personal thing too. So, hey yo, I would recommend you get street credit too. That'll help you out. So, yo, goons gotta get credit. And there's a variety of reasons why you ain't got no credit. Just tap into these various reasons why and you can get you some credit, okay? You gotta pay to play. So, boost up your credit score. Do whatever it takes by any means. You gotta win out here and succeed. It's real in the field 2025. So, yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know what it is. You know what to do. And this is a real message. This is a message to all my goons worldwide that, hey, we in crisis mode. I'm watching my city on fire. The whole world's watching my city on fire. LA's on fire, man. So, yo, we need credit because we in a crisis. Straight like that. Let's get some credit, my goon. You need help getting credit. You need help getting funded. You need help cleaning up your credit profile. You need help with trade lines. You need help anything. You need money plays. You need anything, any help. Holla at me. Method Solutions. That's me. I made a whole website because I got all kind of methods and all kind of solutions to help goons worldwide just like you. Straight like that. Till next time, my goons. Tap in. And do me one quick solid before we go. Follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions. Till next time, my goons. Let's blast off. Let's win. 2025 is survive and thrive. We out.